On 1st July 2020, it's discovered that the damage to the machine is worse than originally thought. The machine is now considered to be worthless and the recoverable amount of the factory as a CGU is estimated to be 9.5 lakhs. At the 1st July 2020, the CGU comprises the following assets. They are building 5 lakhs, plant and equipment 3.35 lakhs, including the damage, machine net carrying amount of 35,000. Goodwill is 85,000. Net current assets 2.5 lakhs. In accordance with LKS 36, what will be the carrying amount of Amano cost, plant and equipment when the impairment loss has been allocated to the CGU?
So this is our second question. We already read this. So we want to know about how much carrying amount. If you want to know about carrying amount in according to this question, we should count this all together. You know, this 5 lakhs and 3.35 lakhs, 85,000, 2.5 lakhs. We should count it together. So then our carrying amount is 1,170. But in here, now we want to know how much the loss. It means how much the impairment loss. So we should deduct this 9.5 lakhs. We should deduct 9.5 lakhs from our carrying amount. So our carrying amount, then we can take as 2.2 lakhs loss here. This means impairment loss 2.2 lakhs. But in here, they say including the damaged machine at a carrying amount of 35,000. So firstly, we should deduct this 35,000 from our impairment loss. It means this 2.2 lakhs. So this is our carrying amount. This is the loss. Now we should deduct this 35,000 from our impairment loss. Then our answer is 1.85 lakhs. So in here, this is the remaining impairment loss. So 1.85 lakhs. And another step is we should deduct this impairment loss from goodwill. Our goodwill amount is 85,000. So when we deduct from 85,000 from our remaining In here, we know 85,000 amount is goodwill. So this impairment loss we can cover from, firstly we can cover it from this goodwill. So our remaining impairment loss is 1.85 lakhs. We should deduct our goodwill is 85,000. Then we can take impairment loss as 1 lakhs. So now our goodwill amount is 0. Then we know our non-current assets, building and plant and equipment. But in here they say there is 35,000 damage. Then we should deduct it from this real amount. Then we can take 3 lakhs. This amount is after deducting this 35,000, then our plant and equipment is 3 lakhs. Now we should previous question I explained to you, we should now take together. Then we know the amount is 8 lakhs. In here we have a 1 lakhs impairment loss. Now we want to know how much building was lost. This means building is lost, and how much plant and equipment loss. So in previous question also I explained we should count it individually. So total when we get together building and plant equipment is mean non-current assets is 8 lakhs and our loss remaining loss is 1 lakhs. Firstly we will go one by one. First we should get our 5 lakhs, which means our building amount, and this building amount we should divide from this 8 lakhs. This means non-current assets, remaining non-current assets, we should divide it. So 5 lakhs and we should divide it from 8 lakhs, and this is the main point. We should multiply is from this impairment loss. This means remaining impairment loss. Our remaining impairment loss is 1 lakhs. Then we can take answer 62,500. So this is the building loss. And second thing, property, plant and equipment. The same formula which we add for building. Look, now our property, plant equipment amount is 3 lakhs. We should divide it 8 lakhs, which means non-current assets, and we should multiply from our remaining loss. Then we can take the answer. Our answer is 37,500. So this is the loss of machine. Now, if you want to take carrying amount according to CGU, so now we should take impairment loss individually. So we all know our billing amount is 5 lakhs, and we should deduct then we can take our carrying amount. So this means built-in carrying amount. So I take is shortly BCB equal our amount is built-in amount is 5 lakhs. We should deduct it from our loss. This means built-in loss. Then we can take the answer. So this is the our carrying amount. This means built-in carrying amount is 4.375 lakhs. And now we should apply to plant and equipment. Same. Now we should apply this for plant and equipment. Our plant and equipment is 3 lakhs. We know we should deduct this loss from our amount. Then we can take 3 lakhs. I take to here PAE. Our plant and equipment is 3 lakhs now. And our loss is 500. Then our carrying amount is 2.625 lakhs. So this is our carrying amounts. This is the answer we get step by step. We can apply this for like this question. No need to worry about it is hard or not. In previously I explained just simple question, but it is based it is a based for this. So I think you have a better understand of this question. So thank you very much. If you want to know about a case 36 impairment of assets, you can go through this and you can get a good knowledge about impairment of assets. So thank you very much. Now I am going to wind up this session.